Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your racers on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Disney Speedstorm game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will be able to change your racer and make upgrades to them by clicking on the racers option at the right side. Now from this page, just tap on whichever racer you wish to upgrade, and then tap on the upgrade option at the bottom right corner. This will now upgrade your racer by using the upgrade coins right away. Now, as long as you have the enough currency, you can continue to upgrade your player as many times as you wish. Just choose your desired racer and continue to upgrade them. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your racers on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.